Today we're making fritas, aka the Cuban burger. This is make it or buy it, frita edition. Alright, let's get started on making our Cuban frita. I like to do one part and one part. So one part ground chorizo, almost like a paste, and one part of ground meat. I have a potato for the topping later, a lid and wax paper to show you how to do the patties, and of course the bun, a bowl to mix. So right now I'm gonna mix the ground meat and the chorizo. So we have our ground beef here. Now I'm gonna get chorizo. What is chorizo? It is a Mexican or Spanish cooked pork that's already seasoned and cured. So you wanna get more of a pasty style chorizo, not just the ground, and then mix it in here. It already has enough seasoning and flavor in it where you don't need to add anything else. Otherwise, most people will add a bunch of seasoning in it. You could add onions, additional seasoning. Some people add ketchup or barbecue, but we're gonna keep it simple here because the chorizo has enough flavor already. Gonna get prepped to make our patties. I like to use a lid of something. Peanut butter jar is fine. I have wax paper to not get this dirty. So kind of gonna like stuff it in there. Now get a ball, certain amount of weight. I usually just put it in there. So then when you flip it upside down, squeeze down, you have a perfectly formed patty. Nine perfectly shaped patties. So now we're gonna grade the potato because we're not gonna do cheap little pixie stick things. We're gonna grade these so we can top it on top of the frita. We're gonna cook this at medium now. Cook until you see that it is a little golden brown on the bottom. And flip. Ooh, perfection. Add a little sauce to the bottom bun. This is a simple mixture of barbecue and ranch. Ready? Place your crispy potatoes. A little more sauce on top. I just bought this frita locally. It's a little messy, but you can tell that they made the potato chips fresh. Traditional potato roll, goes to show you can do this at home. I'm gonna try to take it out of here. You know what, let's put it on the plate so you can see. This cost $7. I made 10 of these patties. The entire thing, the entire batch cost me $8.88. Here's a side-by-side comparison. This is the one made at home, this is the one bought in store. Stale potato bread, you can see here how it's a little dry and not a lot of chorizo. You have the chorizo here visible. This bread is softer, obviously you're gonna use fresh bread. Again, 88 cents, this is $7. Now I'm gonna taste them and see which one tastes better. This is the store-bought. Not bad. All right, now let's try ours. That's a lot of flavor. Listen, just make it, freeze it, keep it. It cooks well right out of the freezer. This is the way to go.